Guys, today's gonna be a fun day. Today's the super boat races. I've got my Owl Engineering shaft again. This time it's all carbon fiber, so hopefully it doesn't break again. But let's get out there, see some boats, and find some cool stuff. All right, guys. This is the first hit out here. I'm putting in a full shift today, so we better find something. It's gonna be a lot of fun. This place is gonna get so packed. It's gonna be like sardines here in probably just a matter of a couple of hours. I feel something clanking around in there. Beer can lid. Okay, this is a weird tone. Oh, I see something pink. Oh, it's just a fishing lure. All right, we got a hit right here. It's a high tone and it sounds kind of deep. Try to get down to it. See what was in that hole. Oh, an egg sinker. Well, just got into a nicely exposed, real shelly area here. And I just noticed, wow, this looks pretty good. And boom, got a hit. So, let's see what we got. It sounds small, but solid. I think it's close to the surface. I could be wrong, but yep, first scoop, we got it. Is this it? Oh, that's gotta be it. I don't know what that is. It's heavy. Piece of metal. This is a big ugly tone. I'm getting into the area where there's a lot of people already. There's gonna be a lot more soon. So hopefully, a lot of people are losing stuff today. We can help them out. Oh, fish just jumped over there. My dad said he saw a shark earlier. They're all up in the shallows right now. All right, this is in the scoop. Let's see what we got. I don't see anything yet. Oh, there it is. All right, guys. First ring of the day. Oh, it's got stamps. 925 silver. Heck yeah. Get those seashells out of there. Heck yeah. All right. Let's take a nice big silver ring. Cool, cool, cool. Sweet. Okay, here's another loud one. Ooh, rock solid bottom. Okay, guys, I think we found a good spot right here. I might have to hang out here for a little bit. Yep, it's in the scoop. That was sitting right on top. It's probably junk. Was a let's see here. What? It's not junk at all, guys. Another 925 silver ring. Oh my god. Wow. Back to back. Oh, that's cool. That's got some gemstones in it. Oh, awesome. Awesome. We got two. This one looks like a fresh drop. It's pretty clean still. Silver tarnishes pretty quickly in the salt water, so heck yeah, guys. Oh my god, this is turning into a good day. I'm digging this target, and the first wave of speedboats is just starting. I think the first race is just starting right now. Let's see what we got in this hole right here. Wow, look at that. Here they go. Oh, I thought I just saw something. Yep, there it is. We got a dime. All right, let's see what we got here. seeing anything in there. Oh, there it is. Freaking pull tab. Alright. Boats are noisy. They got a nice low tone right here. Alright, I think I got it now. Yeah, I don't hear it anymore. Ooh, I see gold, I see gold.
That look good?
Gold earring.
Wow. We're never trying to be dope shells.
What's that?
Trying to be cool shells.
Oh, I found tons of those.
What's the coolest thing you found?
I found a couple of Rolex watches before, a men's and a women's one. The men's one I was able to return to the owner. The women's one, no one ever claimed it lost or stolen, so I still got it.
Well, that's nice of you.
There was a guy that lost a gold cross out here a couple of weeks ago, so I figure it'll make a great video with the boats, and maybe I'll find the cross too.
Good luck.
So thank you very much. All right, whatever this is, sounds small and solid, so I haven't had a hit in quite a while now. I hit this area and it was all loose, fresh, thick sand, and I didn't get a single target in there, so I think I'm just finally coming out of it. And I think whatever it is in the scoop. Oh, we got more jewelry. All right. Well, that's cool. Little elastic bracelet. Sweet. I got this really weird faint hit right next to that bracelet. Let's see what this is. Oh, I think I see it. What did we get? Hey, that's another bullet. Son of a gun, what's with the bullets lately? Cool. You know, it's kind of unusual to find bullets in the water like this, especially at popular tourist beaches. This must have been here for a while. So I better slow down and really hit this area hard. You can see it's all green, and yeah, it's been down here for years. All right, there's a loud one. Sounds kind of like a pull tab. Called it. Alright, this is a small target right here. Oh, hey guys. More jewelry. Diamond earring? Nah, can't be. This is set in silver, I believe. I don't know, maybe not. I don't see any stamps, but you know we're gonna test that as soon as we get home. That's a big rock on there to not test. Well, very cool. Very cool. Guys, you'll never believe who I just ran into. Well, I haven't run into him yet, but I see him. He's coming this way. Looks like Florida Mike is here. Florida Mike, what's going on, man? Dude, welcome back to Florida.
Thank you, bro. Good to see you, man.
You have a good trip?
I did, man. I did.
Awesome, awesome.
How about you?
Dude, I've been holding it down out here. We've been doing all right. Yeah.
Y'all have it, make sure y'all like, subscribe to my boy channel.
Please, and likewise, guys, subscribe to Florida Mike if you haven't already.
That's right, y'all better. I hope it's a gold diamond ring for you, man.
Yeah, me too. All right.
On my tippy toes.
Yeah. Well, Mike just gave up on this target because it's in pretty deep water. So he told me I get to keep it if it's anything good. So let's see if it is. It sounds like aluminum foil. First scoop.
Huh?
First scoop. I got it in the first one.
I didn't try digging. I just threw my tippy toe.
Aluminum foil.
I thought it was.
Yeah.
Sorry, bro.
Nah, it's good. All right, we got something right here. It's been about an hour since my last hit. It's been terrible. All right, it's in here somewhere. Let's see here. Whoop. Wow. That is an old nail. Look at that guy. Holy cow. It's been in here a very long time. It's been really quiet until just now. I found something right here.
Oh, really?
I was wondering, you know, like you'll find like these little piles and shells.
That's where you want to go. Well, so you want to find the spots where sand has been washed away and you got the hard bottom, because as the tides move in and out, it washes sand in, washes sand out, in and out. So all the heavy objects that are sitting there over time go deeper, deeper, deeper until they hit the hard bottom. And then once you find an exposed area where it's hard bottom, you find all kinds of stuff. I found an 18-karat diamond Tiffany bracelet just down the beach there.
Oh my God.
That was Christmas for my mom. I don't see anything. There it is. Find of the day. We got a quarter.
Oh, there you go. Makes it all worth it.
Absolutely. All right. This is a screamer right here. Ooh, hard bottom too. Ah. That's funny. Hot Wheels. Very cool. All right, guys. Not even 2 feet from that Hot Wheels car, I got another hit. Let's see what we got. Well, it's in the scoop. No, no. We got another Hot Wheels car. Disney Pixar. Maybe this is from Cars. I don't know. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, that's cool. I love finding toy cars. That's pretty neat. Well guys, the boat races are all over. We had a great day today. We met some good friends out here. It's just an awesome time. We did get a couple of keepers today. We got a couple of nice silver rings. Very cool. We got a lot of trash out of the water. It's always good. Some Hot Wheels cars. I got that one earring that I thought was gold, but I guess not. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.